All right, so I'm pushing on with building workbenches. Use this Makita LC1230 to do all the cross cuts. It's going to be my 4x8 assembly table that'll just sit on casters in this exact area. So the cut list is getting smaller, and I think we're about to start welding. Big plumbing project kind of sidetracked me there for a little bit, so the shop is getting connected. Not the point of this video. I picked up some free legs. These are completely overkill. 7 by 7 inches, 1/4 inch steel, but hey, they're free. What am I gonna do? So those are gonna be the legs that are gonna go onto the assembly table. So that thing will be fairly beefy. Let's get back into finishing up these miter joints here, MIG welding them, and lots of grinding. I'm getting really good at grinding. Okay, we got this thing assembled, wheels on. Now the trick will be to lower it this way down onto the wood, tilt it up, get the sawhorses out of the way, tilt it back over. I have no idea what this thing weighs at this point, but too much to lift, that's for sure. Watch this train wreck.